Many of us would have wondered, what would happen if I withdraw my FD prematurely? What is the penalty? What is the interest tax? And a lot of questions. Industry expert Mr. Hariharan will elaborate on this now.
If you prematurely close the FD, there is a penal charge. What do I mean by penal charges? Let's assume you did a FD for 5 years and the bank offered you, say, 8% rate of interest. Today, you have only completed 2 years. You go to the bank and say that I want to foreclose my fixed deposit. They will obviously not give you the rate of interest for 5 years. They will give you the corresponding rate of interest for 2 years. And let's hypothetically assume that it's 7%. So instead of 8%, they will make a payout of 7% as interest. So that's a penal interest that you face. FD interest, all the FD, as I said, even if you take a cumulative option in fixed deposit, you're supposed to declare your income or interest every year. And even if you have not received it, you're supposed to pay tax. So the taxation will be there definitely.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.